everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu the seat from the 9th to the 13th of August 2021 on Monday. Girl code is tested when Mazulu asked Nirupa to try suss out whether Menzi has designs on Zakiti, but Nirupa has her own agenda at play on Tuesday. Mandlovu want to find Zakiti a man. There is a moment of sexual chemistry between Phakade and Sibenzile, and Duduzile tried Sibenzile for not taking her chance when she had it. Will there be some love action in Phakade's house on Wednesday? Love cannot make a home where lies and secrets sleep. Zitulele is horrified when he finds out that Nokzola sabotaged the Middle East deal. He is livid and goes on a rampage to unearth the truth on Thursday. The rack of lies, secret and deceit are revealed when Zitulele learns the truth about Nokzola and Nkuleko's sexual affairs. On Friday, the ghost of revenge lurks. Zitulele threatened Nkuleko. Zenzele seeks to find his brother's killer. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.